Built on rugged terrain in the middle of Costa Rica's tropical forest, Jungla House seems to float at the height of the treetops. It blends harmoniously into the natural setting of Santa Teresa, with contemporary architecture, local materials, and generous openings that connect every room to the surrounding landscape. The entrance begins through a front garden and leads to a central circulation core where the sequence of spaces unfolds. On the ground floor, the social areas, living room, kitchen, and dining room, are combined in an open concept layout, with glass doors at both ends that enhance cross-ventilation and frame views of the tropical canopy. These spaces open directly onto a terrace and an elevated pool that hovers above the sloping terrain. Designed by FAMM Arquitectura, the house is located in a region with limited urban development, where the sea, forest, and uneven topography define the boundaries of the built space. Its design establishes a continuous connection between interior and exterior, with spatial experiences that open up or shelter from nature depending on the moment. During construction, the house changed ownership. The new owner requested an additional level. To achieve this, the structure was reinforced with concrete beams in the social area, and an external staircase with wooden louvers was added to access the upper floor. Also on this level are the secondary bedrooms, which open to the outdoor areas and share a bathroom. Surrounding the house, a perimeter wall clad in local stone ensures privacy for the residents, while the rear facade remains completely open to the forest. Jungla House is a clear example of how contemporary architecture can adapt to a tropical climate, creating open, fluid, and sustainable spaces that respect the land and offer a deep connection with nature. This level houses the primary suite, a spacious bedroom with a private bathroom, a wraparound balcony, and a long, continuous planter along the rear facade. As in the rest of the house, openings at both ends bring in natural light, cross-ventilation, and views of the lush landscape. Below the ground floor, the lower level takes advantage of the topography and retaining walls to accommodate a lounge with its own bathroom and garden access, along with a laundry room and technical area. A few steps down the garden lead to an independent studio located at the lowest part of the site, offering even more privacy.